Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. Get ready for the coolest AI avatar you've ever seen. This is RCADS.
If you guys want the perfect ad creative for your product or service without the BS or waiting time, then I have something absolutely amazing here for you, RCADS. Let's check out some of the ads that I just generated. You're going to be blown away. Alright guys, so how do you create winning ads here? It is just this simple. We have AI avatars of real actors that are performing right here on camera. And you get a video just like this. All you have to do is add your particular captions and spice to it, and then rock it. Check this out.
Ready to level up your photo game? Let this app work its magic and turn your pics into pure perfection. Try Starry AI app yourself.
Alright, so people like Voodoo, Mojo, KRNL trust this. All the big brands, you get your AI video in seconds. You don't have to pop on Fiverr or Upwork and be like, hey, Mr. Freelancer, do you want to work? They're like, no, I'm busy. Oh, it's $40? No, it's $50. It's $60, $70. Don't do that. Just, forget about the back and forth. Get this at a fraction of the price. This dude does it, and he's crushing it with Facebook ads. All you need to do is get your Chat GPT out. Boom. Get a script. Get an awesome AI actor. Add all your favorite music and captions to it, do some bulk creation, and get results like these people. Thanks for transforming how we work. AI advertisers should pay attention to what RCADS is doing. I agree, Alex. So, you can find all the information here. You can also become an AI actor here if you want to be transformed into the world of AI, or log in and sign up. It is super, super simple. You just go ahead, click login or sign up here, and then boom, log in with your Google. So you can see log in with Google or email, and put my email here or my Google and get right to it. Alrighty then, dudes and dudettes who are going to use the dude and dudette AI. Just pop in your details. That can be your role. If you're CEO, the big boss, throw your company website in, company size, number of videos. Know you're making 5 mil, right? But if you're not, you can put your monthly spend in ads, monthly ad spend, and then boom. Really, really simple. You just pick a package, a starter, creator, or you can go pro, depending on how many AI actors you need. You can see them already here, and they're already crushing it. Trusted by over 1,000 companies. Are you going to be one of them? Are you going to get the next amazing ad creative that's going to blow up on Facebook or Instagram? And everybody will be saying, hey, Marge, this is amazing. Oh my God, I want to buy these t-shirts. Or I need to get this product. Or this is awesome. You could be the next drop shipping guru, the next awesome coach. All you need is the right ad. Let's go. You can get it from RCADS. Let me know what you think of it down below. What is your opinion on AI avatars? Are you excited? Let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.